Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well today. I've got a 2002 Thunderbird, Ford Thunderbird behind me, and that's what I'm going to be working on today. This is a friend of mine, this is his car, and we've got to do a few things to it. I need to replace the clock spring in the steering column. I need to fix his mirror, automatic mirror switch. I need to fix his headlights, his low beams don't work. And I need to check the brakes on it. He said that the brakes are pretty spongy. So yeah, here it is. It's a very clean car, a very unique looking car. It's only got 30,000 miles, well maintained. He takes very good care of it. But regardless, we're gonna get started here, and I'm gonna take you along as I do some of these repairs. Maybe not all of them, but yeah, let's get to it. Okay, first things first, we gotta disconnect both of these battery cables here. It's very unique that the fact that the battery is in the trunk on this vehicle. So yeah, let's do that. Hey Paul.
I got a couple packages for you today.
All right.
I'll scan them here and then you can grab them.
Sure thing.
And if you want, do you want to take the upstairs people's mail?
Yeah, absolutely. I'll take that for you.
All right. Then I will put it in the box. Enter. We got Jared here.
Okay.
Jared here.
All right. This is all for this car here, so it's perfect.
All right. You're the top one, and this should be Nelson on the bottom.
Okay.
There you go, buddy.
All right, Paul.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just in time. These parts are for this car. Perfect timing. Now that the battery's been disconnected, since we're going to be removing the clock spring, I want to give it about 10 minutes to let the reserve drain out. That way we don't, get accidental deployment of the airbag when we're taking it out. This looks like our brand new headlight switch, and hopefully this will fix our... Here is the new clock spring assembly. Both these parts are Ford parts, Ford Motorcraft OEM parts. So let's get to it. Okay, so I have the airbag and steering wheel back in. I turned the car on and the airbag light went off, which is what we were trying to do. Then I took a look at the headlights and pulled both the bulbs. Now the low beams aren't working, as if you can see the filament for the high beam. Filament for the low beam is broken. And on the other bulb, same issue. Filament for the low beam broken, filament for the high beam is intact. So it's kind of odd that both would be broken like that. Hopefully it is just a coincidence, but we will see here. I'm going to get 2 new bulbs, see if that fixes the issue, and then we'll go from there. But the last thing that we need to do now, or actually take that back, there's 2 things. We still have to fix the mirror switch and fix the or check the brakes. So let's get to it. Okay everyone, I was able to fix the mirrors. I put in a new switch here. So now if we take a look at that. They move, everything is good. Both sides are working. Okay, so I'm gonna go take it for a real quick test drive, and then if everything checks out, we'll have the guy come pick it up, and he should be happy about everything that's been fixed. So here we go. Alright, so he came and he already picked up the car. He was very happy. I was able to save him a ton of money from going to the dealership and having it done. But yeah, everything went well. He was happy. The car is all fixed. And yeah, that's about all there is to it. So listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't much, but I figured I will just kind of show you some of the stuff that I do on a daily basis. And you know, it's hard to record when I'm working. It really drops my efficiency and my productivity, but at least you kind of got an idea of what stuff I kind of do. I know you see the old 7.3 in the background. I've been saying it forever, but I will get an update video on that, because now that it's warming up, you know, the snow is melting, but you know, it is nice and muddy. But now that it's warming up, I'm going to be working on that thing again, and I'm going to start with the exhaust, 4-inch turbo back exhaust. I need to get that on there, but I will be doing an update before that. So again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, go ahead and subscribe, because we're gonna have a lot more videos like this, and a lot more videos featuring this, well, maybe that, not that, and sometimes even this. Okay, we're always working on different stuff here. So hope you enjoyed, hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and thanks for watching.